Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Libra placement. So, yes, this is short end of the month, love reading. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before po tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, okay, hindi natin patatagalin. Sige. Tayo mag-start na sa inyong read, Libra. Oo. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Oo. Okay. So, the person on your mind, Libra. Who is the person on your mind? The Nine of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng itong taong ito is kulong sa mga responsibilidad. No? Some of them. Yes, some of them, pwedeng breadwinner, mga ganyan. Okay? Hindi po sa lahat yan, ha? So, some of them, pwedeng may issue around, pwedeng family nila, ganyan. Okay? Yung iba sa kanila, ang daming pagkakautang. Kinuha lang po natin yung energy, ha, ng tao. Yes. Some of them, single. Okay? Single, as in, hindi pa married. Okay? Kung karelasyon mo, yeah, ganyan. Pwede. Pero, yeah, hindi ko masasabing committed to kasi hindi pa. Okay? Pwedeng itong taong ito na nababasa natin is hindi pa niya kayang mag-commit sa'yo. Maybe. Okay. So, ano bang situation nyo? Libra, anong situation nyo? The Temperance in reversed. And the Five of Cups in reversed. Parang ang away sa inyo is normal na. Normal na bagay na yung away dito. Yes. Kung may pag-away, nalipas na lang na hindi finifix. Parang ganon. Nalipas na lang yung sitwasyon. Kahit walang finifix, parang hinahayaan na lang. Okay? Ano ba yung emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo, Libra? Anong emosyon? Some of you, Libra. Kung ano man yung mga issue ng taong ito, ikaw pwede yung gumagawa ng sabihin nating, iba sa inyo ikaw yung gumagawa ng paraan. Yes. Okay, the Ten of Swords in reverse, so feelings niya, emosyon niya, for you is the Ten of Swords in reverse and the Knight of Wands. Hindi malayong lagi kayong on-off ng taong ito. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Swords, ang dami ditong issue, ang daming masakit na sa ulo, Libra. Okay. Emosyon niya, gusto ka niya. Yes, gusto ka ng taong ito pero hindi niya kayang mag-commit pa. Yes. Hindi pa nitong kayang mag-commit pero hindi ka nito lalayuan. Hindi ka niya nilalayuan. Lalo ngayon na nakikita niya na pwedeng nakakatulong ka sa mga issue, no? Sa kanya. Yes. Or maybe ikaw itong taong sabihin natin parang walang naririnig sa kanya. Kung may issue man. Parang ganon. So, parang pagtanggap, pero hindi naman dapat tanggapin. Yung mga nandiyan na issue. Some of them, they're non-committal because of the Nine of Pentacles is here. A non-committal, wala akong malinaw na nakikita pagdating sa kanya. Wala akong nakikitang malinaw, intention man, emosyon man, pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Excuse my nails. Okay. Sabay ganun. Oo. Agaw pansin. Diba? So, tingnan natin. Ano ba ang next action nito sa'yo, Libra? Next action. The Ace of Cups. Why? The Tower in reverse. Hindi ka talaga kayang alisan ng taong ito. Kailangan ka niya. Pero they're a non-committal or maybe they're not ready na makipag-commit. Some of you open. Open lang kayo for each other. No labels at all. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. There's like a delay pagdating sa growth, no? Sa connection nyo. Pero nandyan siya palagi for you. Okay? Pero, ang pag-o-offer ng emosyon, hindi muna nito gagawin. Yes. Some of them, they're just here para hindi niya maramdaman na nag-iisa siya. Yeah. Outcome/advice for Libra. Eight of Wands, communication. And the Ace of Wands in the reverse. This is on and off. Okay, so nakuha ko sa inyo, puro komunikasyon lang, Libra. Some of you may sex dito, kahit wala naman kayo. Some of you, sabihin nating bumabalik lang itong taong to kapag kailangan niya nun. And then after, palalagpasin lang muna niya ilang linggo, alis na ulit. Yes. Okay? Outcome is just plain communication with on and off. Or sabihin natin komunikasyon at may kasamang chararat. Yun lang ang nakuha ko dito. So, advice for you, if you're okay with that, go. Pero if not, alam mo na. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles, knowing your worth and value. Yun lang ang nakuha ko. Hindi naman masyadong malalim. Okay? So, typical na harutan. 'Di ba? Okay. Typical na panghaharot na ginagawa ng ibang tao sa mga taong ina-accept yung kaharutan nila. Di ba? Opo. Okay. So, all signs, Aries through Pisces. Aries, okay, anong meron? So, meron ditong ending with a cycle. Yeah. Ending of a cycle. Okay, next. Taurus, releasing. Gemini, they want communication. Some of them, pwedeng makakakuha ka nga ng komunikasyon, no, galing sa kanila. Cancer, gusto ka ni Cancer, no? Gusto ka makasama forever. Kontento sa'yo si Cancer, Libra. Leo, some of you pwedeng Leo ang maging next person or maybe new person. Okay, if this is a past person, some of them, they're healing, maybe. Okay, some of them, they're in another connection already. Okay, lalo na nga kung hindi bumabalik. Okay, so Virgo, they're waiting. Yeah, waiting for a communication to happen. Parang ganyan, okay? Sinatay, Libra. Okay, so si Libra, there's sadness. Scorpio, so medyo parang nagiging weak na yung nararamdaman ni Scorpio o maybe you pagdating sa kanya. Sagittarius, they're a liar. Some of them, they're being secretive. Capricorns, okay, so some of them, maybe they're watching you. Okay? Their secrets or maybe they're being mysterious. Yeah, may nakatago. Aquarius, they want control over you. Yeah, they want control. So Pisces, they want commitment. They want to commit. Yeah. Okay. So there, yun po ang ating reading for you, Libra placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.